Alright, man, so here we are 5 minutes before the open. And as you finishing up your video, I think got like 6 minutes on. It's been a long ass day, man. Back to teaching for real. But it's all good. Had some time to watch part of your video earlier and finishing up now. And anyway, so getting into the breakdowns we were talking about, going over the overall market conditions and the SPY, still in uptrend, and then pulling back to this like little prior consolidation level. So see if it kind of holds in here and then turns back up. So just like see what happens there. But I mean, SPY uptrend, right? Good to go. Talking about pre-market movers is next. So Wiz Khalifa tailored. On the daily, it's like gapping out here into this level. I like that it has this like this like prior over under level here, and in the pre-market you can see, it's like it's tested it, holding beneath it, and so we're making higher or lower highs into the level. So it's solid. So it's definitely on the opening watch, and if we trigger through here and see what's up for a short. The other pre-market one was fucking Will Ferrell and Tyrion Lannister. So Elf, gapping up pre-market, making higher lows and holding higher. So if we get above the pre-market action here, and maybe blast through and prior resistance becomes support type entry, and with good volume, that would be solid. So those are my top two pre-market ideas. They were the most volume done in pre-market, so wasn't the highest gainers or losers, but definitely trading the most volume in pre-market. So to get on to my list of stocks that I had on the watch list, which are the blue ones, skipping ELF. So this TGTX just kind of had, we got alerts here. So that's basically all that's going on there. Breakout higher lower, just as you said, the volume day says pay attention, so fill the gap or we continue higher, solid trade. ALF holding higher just underneath this prior day's high too, so looking for maybe a long above there. Tailored, we did that. Chem, just sideways consolidation, like consolidating by time. So, breakout above here we go, or breakout lower. Just the volume said pay attention, and got my alert set. This, BWXT broke out of its little range the other day. It's only moving like a buck, really, like a $1.20. So, I mean, at a $47 stock, probably better stocks to trade, but I just like that it broke here. Volume still above average, and so it's got some room to fill the gap. And so, let me see if I can find any levels. So it's like, really below all levels. There's not really like anything in the way to like 40, 450. So, I mean, that could be a good trade. To the downside, place, a second day play, so they close strongly at all-time highs. And you can see, just this little like area could be potential support if it gets above it and finds, support above this level. It would be a good trigger for a long. IBM, I just like this over-under level here, so it's kind of going sideways, like, a little failure test here, and like, didn't, hasn't retested this level, but it's like hasn't, gone up either, so it's just kind of going sideways. So, I'm feeling either way, like this could be support, like this could be a support level. I'm not saying it's going to break, but it's a good level to be playing from either way. We did ELF, SWUX. The volume's like picking up, and it, this level kind of looked like it's supported here. So I'm thinking, if we continue higher, like break out through here, and then get a nice support comes resistance, resistance comes support rather. I mean, common theme, right? Apple, you put this on the radar for all the reasons you mentioned earlier, overlap and bars, and this little range. So just wait for the breakout. ANET, holding higher above this level, volume solid, so innocent to proven guilty. Snaps in play, but I like this level from, if you look, it's kind of like the day of the IPO, and so like this, it's like 20, maybe call it 2350. It's kind of like being respected right here. So I'd say that's like this area, this general area between like 23 and here goes the market open. So I'm a little slow, but so 20, this kind of area in here kind of looks like to be an inflection point, making higher lows. So we'll see what's up there. ESPR, I mean, it's just rock and rolling. So it's just getting a little long in the tooth for me, so I don't really know if I'm gonna. I think I probably would have taken this up. I wanted to close out my. I just closed out my. I fell asleep last night. I was trading my CRC, so I had an order to take myself out right on the open or through pre-market, whatever. So just to buy it, and I did. So I mean, I was thinking just to. I think I had done that when the market closed, but obviously, since I was holding it, I wanted to see, and it was looking like it was going to be up down. I thought, maybe I should keep holding it, see if we got some more in continuation, before a potential 80-20, but whatever, dude. I'm happy to be out right there. No big deal. So quick before the market finishes, shop, midline pullback, and if we get above this high, it looks like it's holding the midline nicely. So volume didn't really come in this day, but I mean, it could be like delayed reaction, and if we get above this day's high with good volume, next test is like 64. And I think NTNX, holding at all-time lows. It's closing way down off this day. So I mean, this could be capitulation, but it keeps going down. It keeps going down. So that's it for the watch list. Alf's like definitely on the top, but we're gonna see how we trade today. Anyway, bro. Later.